In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a private GitHub profile public. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. First things first, you need to log in to your GitHub account. So go ahead and head over to github.com. Once you're there, enter your credentials and sign in. This is a straightforward process, but if you encounter any issues, ensure that you've entered your username and password correctly. After logging in, you'll want to find your repository. This is where all your code lives. To do that, look at the top right corner of your GitHub page. You'll see your profile picture. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu, select Your Repositories. This will bring up a list of all the repositories associated with your account. Now take a moment to locate the private repository that you want to change to public. Once you've found it, go ahead and click on its name. This will take you to the main page of your selected repository. Now we need to navigate to the settings, which is where the magic happens. Look along the top of this page and find the tab that says Settings. Click on it, and you'll move into the settings area of your repository. Now the settings page can be a bit lengthy, but don't worry, we know exactly where to go. You'll want to scroll down until you reach the Danger Zone section. This sounds a bit ominous, right? But it's just GitHub's way of warning you that you're about to make a significant change. All right, now that you're in the danger zone, find the option labeled Change Repository Visibility. Next to this, you'll see a button that says Change Visibility. Go ahead and click that button. This will prompt a few options for visibility. Here, you want to select Make Public. You're almost there. After you select Make Public, GitHub will ask you to confirm your choice. So, you'll see an option that says, I want to make this repository public. Click that, and then confirm your choice. It's crucial to make sure you really want to do this, as making a repository public means that anyone can see your code. And just like that, you've changed your repository from private to public. This process not only allows you to showcase your work to potential employers or collaborators, but also contributes to the open source community. If you do have any additional repositories that you'd like to change, simply repeat these steps for each one. Remember that you can always toggle back if you decide that a repository should be private again. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to drop a comment below. I'd love to assist you. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching.